Germany. With the Mexico Olympic Games looming up in the near future, German team selectors are making their final choices. In the high diving department, the choice is far from easy, as this event in Cologne proved. The top board aces provided sheer poetry of movement as they performed before the selection panel. Just watch. Trainers are never satisfied, but Olympic standards are exceptionally high. Here's Bernd Wuckerkenig with a 3.5 somersault. He won the event. The ladies, too, carved some pretty graceful patterns on their way down. After watching some of these superb performances, it would seem that Germany will be strong contenders for the Olympic high diving events. Hertfordshire. If you've ever had that irresistible urge to buy something, you'll know exactly how Mrs. Pat Della felt when she saw Ellie, the baby elephant. Bedford Zoo agreed to the sale, and off went Ellie to her new home to join some of the other pets of the Della household at Lemsford near Welwyn Garden City. So far, Ellie has cold-shouldered the other animal residents, but then they don't appear to be particularly keen on her either. Ellie's main concern is in growing up to be a jumbo-sized elephant. That takes at least 24 pinters a week. Just a whistle wetter in her 10 pounds a week diet.